o'clock in the morning. That nigga said he trying to get started now. LS swap shit. Yeah, going in that bad motherfucker. I said, when you want to start? That nigga said, right now. Bro, it's like 30 degrees. 1 o'clock in the morning in the country. That nigga said, let's start right now, cuz.
Yeah. I'm on country ain't it?
What'd you say, Johnny? Let's start right now, huh?
Yeah.
Get back to you once we get deep into that shit. I'm cold. I'm sitting in the truck. I need to go get some shoes and I'll be out here with him. But once he dig into that shit, I'll turn y'all back on, put y'all on the time lapse or something. Y'all get to see some real work, not me just bullshitting around. Yeah, up under that bitch now. Yes, sir. My boy Johnny just met him on Facebook Marketplace last night. We've been talking ever since. He don't go to sleep like I don't go to sleep. I said, so when he said, I'm gonna come help you with it. I said, so when you want to start? He came for those headlights right there. That's what he came to get, those headlights right there. He like, I showed him how much I got done. He's like, I'm gonna help you. I'm like, when you want to start? He's like, I'm thinking you want to say tomorrow morning. He said, right now. Yeah, so I'm out here 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning doing the LS swap. I met a guy off Facebook Marketplace. He said he coming to buy some lights. 1 o'clock in the morning, I'm like, shit, come on. I'm tough. I ain't worrying about that. So he get here, he get the lights, and he like, not ready to leave. I'm like, so what's your plans? He like, I'm gonna help you with the motor. I'm like, when you ready to start? He like, right now. I'm like, what the fuck? It's 30 degrees outside, 20 degrees outside, frost all over everything. He like, shit, let's get it. So I let him rock. About to put you on time lapse, see him working now. That's his truck with his girl in it. I'm going to pull back up to the side so he can use my headlights. That's some more lights. He got one flashlight and I got one Hercules light and one flashlight. My flashlight died about as soon as we started. So I'm gonna use my headlights to help out. But it's something. See him under there. Put you on a time lapse. Get back to y'all. So we got one cross member out. Looked like he got the motor mount bolts out. And right now he's searching for tools. So I'll get back at you when he gets some more progress. Y'all here at 3 in the morning working, bro. By the morning when the store opened, I had to go get this tool to get this motherfucker out. right, this my boy Johnny helping me out do the LS swap.
Hell yeah.
It's 3-4 in the morning. It's 4:14 in the morning right now. We started at like 1:30. Tell me what all you did so far, Johnny.
Shit, basically took the bottom cross members out. I'm about to take the bottom transmission cross member and loosen up the motor mounts, and it's out.
You did the exhaust bolts too, you said.
Hell yeah.
With that big motherfucker. How you like them Hercules tools?
Man, goddamn, they're fucking amazing. Fucking amazing. I ain't never seen that shit.
He talked about that Ultra Torque with the 12 amp battery in that
Yeah,
motherfucker.
that shit broke a swivel. That shit damn near cracked my wrist. Hell yeah. That shit, that's unreal.
First he had the ratchet and the mid torque. He was like, I like these. I said, let me go get the big boy, show you. Let you see what this big boy talking about. But you like them Hercules, huh?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I fuck with them.
Ain't go wrong with them.
All right. My boy said he about to get back to it, so I just want to let y'all hear from him. Get back to y'all. I'm going to put him on another time lapse. One. Back with my boy Jay.
Hell yeah.
We wrapping it up for the night. Tell them all you done.
Damn near everything. Just gotta take that motherfucker out.
Yeah. I'll probably go get the cherry picker while you gone.
Alright.
So I seen the exhaust come off. I seen the transmission cross member come off. I seen the front cross member come off. I seen you was grounding a few things down there. Did you take the drive shaft loose?
Not yet.
Okay. All right.
But literally that don't even bolt into the transmission, you know.
Right.
That shit just slips in there.
Right. You right. What I was about to say, I know in the daytime we gotta see what all rest of the harness. I know we gotta get the ground wire off. There's probably a couple more things we gotta get off so it'll just come out all in one piece.
Yep.
All right. Well, I'll see you tomorrow. Well, I'll see you later on, buddy.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Like in a couple hours.
All right, bet. All right, that's a bet.
Yeah.
All right, till the next time.
All right.